Imagine walking into your favorite store only to find out that the product you wanted is out of stock. Frustrating, right? On the flip side, what if you run a business and found that your warehouse is overflowing with unsold inventory? Effective inventory management and production planning are the keys to balancing supply and demand. Have you ever considered how businesses manage this delicate balance? Hello everyone. Today, we're learning about inventory management and production planning. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the fundamentals of inventory management, learn the key principles of production planning, be able to optimize inventory and production processes. Inventory management is the process of overseeing and controlling the ordering, storage, and usage of components that a company uses in the production of the items it sells, as well as the management of finished products. Number 1 is stock levels. Maintaining the right amount of inventory to meet demand without overstocking. Reorder points. Knowing when to reorder inventory to avoid stockouts. Number 3 is safety stock. Keeping extra inventory on hand to prevent stockouts due to demand fluctuations. A bookstore manages its inventory by keeping a track of the number of books in stock, setting reorder points for popular titles, and maintaining a safety stock to handle unexpected increases in demand. Think of inventory management like managing your kitchen pantry. You need to keep track of what you have, that's called stock levels, when you have to buy more, that is reorder points, and have some extra food on hand just in case. Now that is called safety stock. Walmart is renowned for its efficient inventory management. Through using sophisticated technology and data analytics, Walmart ensures that products are always in stock and can quickly restock items based on real-time demand, minimizing both overstock and stockouts. Production planning involves scheduling the production of goods to ensure that they are made efficiently and meet customer demand. It's about coordinating the manufacturing processes to optimize the use of resources. Forecasting demand. Predicting customer demand to plan production schedules. Capacity planning. Ensuring that production facilities can meet demand. Is scheduling. Planning the production timeline to meet deadlines and optimize resources. An electronics manufacturer uses demand forecasting to plan the production of new smartphones. They can predict how many units will be needed and schedule production accordingly by analyzing market trends and historical data. Production planning is like organizing a big dinner party. You need to know how many guests are coming, which can be translated as demand forecasting. Ensuring you have enough food and seating, that's called capacity planning, and plan when to cook each dish so everything is ready on time. Toyota's production planning system is a model of efficiency. Toyota produces vehicles based on actual customer orders rather than forecasting by using just-in-time (JIT) approach, minimizing inventory costs and maximizing responsiveness to market demand. Effective inventory management and production planning are critical for balancing supply and demand and ensuring customer satisfaction. Both practices are essential for operational efficiency and business success. I want you to choose a business you're familiar with and analyze its inventory management and production planning processes. Identify areas for improvement and suggest strategies to optimize these processes. Write a brief report summarizing your findings and recommendations.